Today, we are going to recreate one of Iman's thumbnail in Adobe Photoshop, which is super easy to make. Let's start. Add your image. Duplicate your layer. Hold Shift to deselect unwanted pixels. I will speed up the process. After you are done, hit Mask button. Now your subject is separate from your background. For the text, I used Montserrat bold font. Place your text layer below the subject. Select your subject layer and background layer by holding Ctrl and hold Alt to scale it uniformly. Double-click on your text layer. Add drop shadow with the following settings. To create a merged layer, hold for the final adjustments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.